Think a while. Do you need a bit of motivation or inspiration? Story is full of wisdom and miracle. Whenever you read it, it still inspires you even though you have read it many times. Take a few minutes to chill out and listen to this short story. An inspirational life lesson that you cannot miss. Let's learn the story wisdom together. Peace. Once there was a free bird. She floated in the sky, catching midges for lunch, swam in the summer rain trickles, and was like many other birds. But she had a habit. Every time some event occurred in her life, whether good or bad, the bird picked up a stone from the ground. Every day she sorted out her stones, laughed remembering joyful events, and cried remembering the sad ones. The bird always took the stones with her, whether she was flying in the sky or walking on the earth, she never forgot about them. The years have passed, and Free Bird got a lot of stones, but she still kept on sorting them, remembering the past. It was becoming more and more difficult to fly, and one day the bird was unable to do this. The bird that was free some time ago, could not walk on the earth, she was unable to make a move by her own. She could not catch midges anymore, only rare rain gave her the necessary moisture. But the bird bravely endured all the hardships, guarding her precious memories. After some time, the bird died of starvation and thirst. And only a pitiful bunch of worthless stones reminded of her for a long time. Here, some good reminders for you. 1. Let go of the past and moving on. 2. Stop losing yourself into the past. 3. Appreciate what you have here and now, your present. Watch out for my latest life-changing stories. If you find this motivational video motivating, please share with your family and friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Remember to hit the bell so that you don't miss my latest video.